Hi, my name is Andy, and I'm an alumni of the Department of Management. So pursuing a master's degree in management at CityU was a very remarkable journey for me. Back in the day, it was a very pioneering field which offered me hands-on experience and also cutting-edge knowledge in organization and change management. So the knowledge I gained played a very instrumental role in my career, be it is in Alibaba or most recently at LINK, that provide me a very special and remarkable journey and knowledge, particularly when it comes to projects in acquisitions, integrations, where I can apply what I've learned in school in the real life business. So the diverse student network was another very valuable aspect of the program, with the unique blend of students with different expertise, nationalities, experience. It truly enriched my learning experience. So now, as the master programs continues to evolve, they have become even more advanced and sophisticated in its design. So therefore, my advice to the student is, immerse yourself in this diverse student network. Never stop questioning, never stop learning. Just like I did, then I'm sure you can harness the power and propel your career forward.